Do you find the assistant menu icon too big or too small on your screen? You can easily resize it to fit your comfort. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, then tap Interaction and Dexterity. Tap Assistant Menu. Tap Assistant Menu Size, and then choose from Extra Small, Small, Medium, and Large. For example, if you often tap the icon accidentally while gaming or watching videos, you might set it to small so it's less distracting. So if you want the assistant menu icon to be more visible or more subtle, just pick the size that matches your need. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.